मनी सप्लाई इज recognized in multiple formats. अलग अलग measurements होते हैं उसके. We start with the high powered money, that is the reserve money. Then we have M1, M2, M3, LM1, LM2, LM3, right? ऐसे बहुत सारे measurements होते हैं and we are going to discuss all of them because our UPSC has been asking questions from this sector. So that is money supply. Then how money supply determines everything. Money supply को कैसे change किया जाता है, आरबीआई का उसमें क्या रोल रहता है, राइट? सो ये भी हम एक बार इसमें चर्चा करेंगे. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द क्वेश्चंस फर्स्ट. सो आप देख सकते हैं एज यू कैन सी फ्रॉम द स्क्रीन कि दीज आर यूपीएससीज पीवाईक्यूज 2013, 19, 20, 21, 21, राइट? सो लेट्स take the case. Here they are asking about the inflationary pressure with respect to the money supply. Here they are asking a question on money multiplier. Here they are asking the question again on the demand deposit and the aggregate money. See, demand deposit and aggregate money. This is also part of your money supply. Then here they are asking the questions on the inflationary effect with respect to the money supply. Right? Creation of a new money to finance the budget. That's the answer. Then in this question again they have repeated money multiplier. They have asked money multiplier twice, 2019, 2021. Okay, so this is how they have approached this topic in UPSC's examination. So important to hai, it is very important because money supply impacts a common man. And I have already told you कि भाई जो भी topics common man को approach कर रहे हैं, कॉमन मैन की लाइफ को अप्रोच कर रहे हैं, दैट इज यूपीएससीज फेवरेट. वही यूपीएससी के फेवरेट है. ओके, मनी इज अ मीडियम ऑफ एक्सचेंज दैट इज जनरली एक्सेप्टेड एज अ वे ऑफ पेमेंट फॉर गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज. एनीथिंग कैन बी मनी दैट हेल्प अस टू बाय समथिंग. एनीथिंग कैन बी मनी दैट हेल्प अस टू बाय समथिंग. कुछ भी मनी हो सकता है. योर प्रॉपर्टी पेपर्स कैन बी मनी. योर एक्सपेंसिव वॉच कैन बी मनी. A car can be money. कुछ भी मनी हो सकता है. But what is currency? Currency is a physical form of money, right? अब तो डिजिटल भी हो गया, right? Only means currency itself has no value until it is used to buy, invest, earn something. Okay, what is the value of a 500 rupee note? उसकी क्या वैल्यू है? Does it value 500 rupee? So currency itself does not have any value. As I told you before, कि if you have cash which is lying idle in your house, most of the time people have the black money which is idle, which is not being used. So that black money which is idle in the form of cash is useless. It's just a piece of paper, guys. It's just a piece of paper, right? So currency जो है वो is a form of money that is denominated and help us to buy something. Okay. Bank check is money but not a currency. You will get this idea because bank checks are transacted on the basis of trust. जो बैंक चेक होते हैं they are transacted on the basis of a trust. जो ट्रस्ट कस्टमर और बैंक के बीच में होता है. So what is money supply then? So money supply is a total volume or a total stock of money in circulation held by the public in a country at any given time. It basically covers currency in circulation. जो चीज सर्कुलेशन में है ही नहीं. Let me tell you one thing. So let's say there is देवास. ये क्या है? It's a mint. Okay, here we are making currency. हम यहां पर करेंसी बनाते हैं, नोट्स, कॉइन्स एंड अदर्स. ठीक है. Now in this city, whatever money is there, let's say they have 10,000 crore rupees which is lying in that factory or in that printing area or in that building. Is that money supply? The answer is no, because it is not in circulation. So money that is not being used is not part of money supply. That's why I said the cash that a person has in the form of black money, वो सर्कुलेशन में नहीं है. ब्लैक मनी इज नॉट इन सर्कुलेशन. वो उसने कहीं दबा रखा है, हिडन है. दैट इज नॉट पार्ट ऑफ मनी सप्लाई. The moment a black money enters into the banking system or in the transaction or anywhere else, it becomes the part of money supply. So please keep these things in mind, that there's a difference between what is money, what is currency, and what actually is money supply. So all the money supply includes currency, but all the currency may not be a money supply, because some of the currency may be lying idle in the place where it is being manufactured. हो सकता है कुछ कॉइन्स, कुछ नोट्स जो अभी भी फैक्ट्री में है, फैक्ट्री मीन्स द मिंटिंग हाउस, जहां पर वो बनते हैं, जिसे आप चेस्ट भी कहते हैं, राइट, करेंसी चेस्ट, दे आर नॉट बीइंग यूज्ड. देयर माइट बी अ न्यू करेंसी विद आरबीआई विच इज नॉट बीइंग यूज्ड. So this is the difference between what includes in money supply and what does not include. For example, tomorrow UPSC asks कि भाई they'll give you 4-5 options and they'll say कि which of the following is part of money supply. इसमें से money supply का part क्या है? So you should be able to identify that money which is in circulation, जो circulate हो रही है, which is changing the hands, going from one person to the other, to the third person, to the fourth person in the banking sector, to the RBI, from the RBI to the bank, to the NBFC, और buying and selling via UPI, via cash, कुछ भी हो रहा है, लेकिन transactions हो रहे हैं. There's a circulation. वो तो money supply है. Anything which is not being circulated is not money supply. Doesn't matter what is the amount. Even this is a white money. This is a white money, but it is not in circulation. Similarly, there's a black money which is not in circulation. So circulation nahi, money supply.